we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Faber-Castell 5.1 wireless CarPlay adapter. That's include. Looking for a cutting-edge wireless CarPlay adapter? Still undecided on the best model for your vehicle? The superior tech CarPlay wireless adapter is compatible with all factory wired CarPlay cars, simplifying your decision-making process. It supports iPhone 5 and newer models running iOS 7.1 or later. Important, make sure by check for confirm compatibility with your specific car model. Advanced CarPlay adapter. Our product features an upgraded Smart IC chip utilizing next-generation signal filter technology for consistent and reliable connections. This technology enhances Wi-Fi signals, reducing call latency, minimizing noise or lag during music playback, and ensuring responsive real-time GPS navigation. You won't even notice the difference compared to wired mode. Seamless plug-and-play experience. This unit functioned immediately upon setup and paired the car and phone within seconds. Simply plug it into the same port you typically use for CarPlay connection, synchronize the Bluetooth, and it will automatically reconnect thereafter. Before starting, ensure your phone forgets the standard Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connection to the car. Keep your phone in your pocket. This compact unit can be discreetly hidden or mounted inconspicuously. Its wireless CarPlay capability enhances mobility, eliminating the need for frequent wire connections and disconnect ions. This reduces wear and tear on your phone's charging port. Plus, you won't have to worry about accidentally leaving your phone in the car after your journey. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.